Hey y'all, I'm going to share with y'all a wonderful fall recipe. It involves fruit and vegetables, and it's delicious. And it's in a casserole form, y'all. But before I do that, I would like to talk about something kind of personal. I understand that people are concerned and think maybe I'm sick because of my weight loss. I'm not sick, y'all. I've been working on my weight for years, and I've almost got it under control, y'all. So I appreciate y'all's concern, but I am not sick. I was sick of being real fat. That's what I was sick of. But I'll tell y'all this too: as you get older, you can't eat as much. How about you? Are you that way, Teresa?
Yeah, I lost weight.
Yeah, I just can't eat what I used to. I eat what I want, but I just can't eat as much of it. So it's worked out well.
A bonus. That's one bonus of getting old.
Yeah, there's got to be some silver lining somewhere out there, doesn't it?
Exactly.
Well, we're going to, like I said, start with this wonderful fall harvest recipe. And I'm going to start by adding brown sugar, teaspoon of cinnamon, and a little bit of salt. And I'm just going to mix that together. And then I'm going to toss our Granny Smith apples and our squash together.
That's actually sweet potatoes.
Oh, it is sweet potatoes. I was thinking I was doing squash.
Sweet potatoes.
Even better. The other night I fixed Aunt Peggy and I just a baked sweet potato and hoe cake cornbread for dinner. And it was so good. Okay, so let's go with our sweet potatoes. And to make this a little easier on myself, I'm going to kind of divide this. And then I'll put my apples. These apples look delicious. And you can see you want them in fairly small cubes. And then we got our dried cranberries. Or those. So I'm just going to start mixing all this together. And I'm just going to toss this, y'all, until it's kind of all in. All right. I got that coated, y'all. Ooh, this is going to be a pile. But it's going to be real good. Reheated. You're going to have a bunch. If you're going to a Halloween party, you may want to bring something like this, you know?
Thanksgiving.
Yes, Thanksgiving is wonderful.
It's coming around the corner.
Uh-huh. And this would be something different. This recipe was from my magazine. And I don't know if y'all, hopefully the magazine would have said something. But after 12 or 13 years, my magazine has come to an end. And I want to thank all of y'all for your love and support that you gave me with that magazine. I had so much fun doing the recipes and the stories, and it was just fun. And I want to thank y'all for that. All right, I've got more brown sugar. I've got oatmeal, the 5-minute oatmeal. I've got flour. I've got cinnamon. Now I'm just going to give all of this a quick stir. And this is much like the topping that you do on sweet potato casserole. It's so good. Okay, so I'm going to pour my melted butter over this. And then we're going to cover our casserole with fall after we put this on. And we're going to bake it. It calls for a 400-degree oven. And we want to make sure, all the dry ingredients are wet from the butter. See what I'm saying? Y'all picking up what I'm putting down? Okay. So here we go. Just dot this all over. And I want to distribute it, fairly even. It's going to be delicious. Now, I don't want this topping to stick to my tinfoil, so I'm just going to spray my tinfoil lightly. And because I'm putting mine into a convection oven, I have to make sure that I wrap that tinfoil underneath, because that commercial oven will blow the tinfoil right on off. I have to make sure it's tucked under there good. Okay, 40 minutes, and then we're going to uncover it and cook it for about another 30. So that's it, and we're going to have a harvest time. Now, you know this dish is for guests. So I'm just going to come in here. Look at that pumpkin.
You mean sweet potato?
I meant sweet potato. I keep wanting to call it because it's orange. So don't look at that pumpkin. Look at that sweet potato and those cranberries and that crumbly topping. All right. Can y'all tell I've been in it? I can't. Over the years, I've gotten real good at that. This screams Thanksgiving. You know it, Teresa?
And we're about to start Thanksgiving videos soon, so get everybody in the mood.
And you know what? This would be wonderful for breakfast or brunch or lunch or supper. It's delicious. Yum. Another winner. Winner chicken dinner. Winner turkey dinner.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.